interrupted with the Qt5WebView DLL blocking Qt framework workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix.
While we explore the technical guide for Qt5WebView, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the Qt5WebView, the Qt5WebView module. It provides unmanaged routines for displaying web content using native OS engines, facilitating the visual manifest for localized web data links.
Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library.
A damaged or incomplete Qt framework installation is the most likely cause for this error. You'll need to reinstall the latest official version of Qt framework to restore required files, such as Qt5WebView.dll to the application directory.
If no luck was had with the Redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state.
Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Qt5WebView file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting.
I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components.
Safety first. Never attempt to replace Qt5WebView.dll with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates.
Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks.
The link in the description references a professional diagnostic scan resource associated with Qt5WebView and PC Health. Thank you for trusting us with Qt5WebView Repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.